Everyone, very good morning. Welcome to Phoenix International Group of Schools. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well, right student? So children, I'm back with a new video. Let's start our class. As you know student, this is our textbook, right? ये environmental studies की अपनी textbook है. And in this children, already हमने जो lesson start किया था वो lesson का name क्या है children? Our body is wonderful. Our body is wonderful, right student? In this we have what we have learned? We have learned some parts of our body, right? Can you recall all those parts? Yes, head, hair, forehead, ear, mouth, nose, eyes, tongues. All these parts we have studied in our last class. Yes children? Right. And we have also finished this bit. Our body help us. Now in what purpose our body help us? In what work our body help us? What we have learned children? Each part of our body does some work, right? And now our legs. I use my legs and feet too. Our legs helpful for children? Our legs are helpful for stand, to walk and to run, to kick, to jump and to skip, right children? In all these works who is helping? Our legs are helping. Which part of the body is helping children? Our legs are helping us for doing this all work, right students? Yes. Even we have finished this bit also children. What is the name of this? Let us see what our arms, hands and fingers help us to do. Now what we are learning children? We are seeing here how our arms, hands and fingers are helping us. In what work they are helping us? So they are helping us in to eat, write, hold, lift, carry, throw, paint and to draw, right children? All this what they are, who is helping here? Our hands and arms. In some work fingers are helping us to do this, right children? Now come to this bit. See this bit children. Complete the table given below. One is done for you. Now what is this? Complete the table given below. We have to complete. In our last class I asked you to complete this table, right children? Last class में आपको ये table complete करने के लिए बताया गया था. क्या आप सब ने complete किया? I hope you all have completed. Yes. If you did not complete it, now you can complete this table children, okay? So what we have to do here? Complete the table given below. One is done for you. Now हमको ये table complete करना है and one as an example already वहाँ पर दिया गया है, okay? I use my hands too. I use my hands too. मैं अपना hand use करता हूँ. For what work? Eat. E-A-T. Eat given, right children? This is eat. Now we have to complete that all blanks. So what we are writing? We are using our hands to say children one example. Very good. To paint. We paint with our hands only, right student? We paint with our hands. So we are using our hands for painting. So paint. We can eat, we can paint and we can even hold also. Okay students? Something holding. कोई चीज़ को पकड़ के रखना. That is called hold. And we can write, we can lift and we can draw also. Okay students, all this works. So how we can do? With the help of our hands we can do. Okay, with the help of our hands. Now student, this time we have to solve some objective part. Okay students, now I request you all of you to take out the page number 11 and hold one pencil in your hand. Okay students, and see that you should copy as I have done here. Let's come to the first bit. See student, what is our first bit in our objective part? Tick right to the correct options. Now we have to read that question and even we have to read that options also. Out of that one will be correct and we have to put one right mark. स्टूडेंट्स वो क्वेश्चन पढ़ना है एंड उसके आंसर के हमको 3 ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, ओके? वो 3 ऑप्शंस को भी आपको रीड करना है. उन 3 में से आपको कोई एक ऑप्शन करेक्ट होगा जिस पर आपको टिक लगाना है, ओके? शैल वी स्टार्ट? यस, वी विल स्टार्ट. सो वी आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सी देयर. विच इज़ नॉट ए पार्ट ऑफ अवर बॉडी? विच इज़ नॉट ए पार्ट ऑफ अवर बॉडी? वो कौन सा यहाँ पर पार्ट है जो विच ऑप्शन इज़ नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर बॉडी? ये ऑप्शन में से कोई एक ऑप्शन ऐसा है जो हमारा बॉडी पार्ट नहीं है. सो लेट्स रीड फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. HAND, हैंड. Children, is it our body part? Yes, hand is our body part, right? Now, second option is leg, leg. Is leg is our body part? Yes, leg is our body parts. Now, C1, pencil. Pencil. Pencil is not a body part, right? Pencil is not a body part. So, we have to tick on that pencil, children. You can see here as I have done for you, right? You can copy same. You have to put one right mark, okay? So, which is not a body part? Pencil is not a body part, right? Now, come to our second one, children. This is the second one. If your hands are tied behind, you will not be able to. Suppose अगर हमारे हाथ कोई अगर पीछे बांधे तो हम क्या कर नहीं सकते? We can run? Yes, we can run because we run with our legs, right student? हम रन नहीं कर सकते? No, हम रन कर सकते हैं because हम रन तो अपने legs से करते हैं. So we can do this. Speak, we can speak also because हम speak किसे करते हैं? With the help of our mouth, right student? Hold books? Yes, we can hold books with the help of our hands only. So if they tied our hands, so we cannot hold anything. So we have to tick on option last. This option. Okay students? Right. So which is not a body part? Pencil is not a body part. And what we cannot do if somebody tied our hands? We cannot hold books. Okay. I hope you all finished writing this first bit. Fine. Next come to our second bit. Name the parts of the body that rhyme with these words. So we have to tell one body part which is rhyming with this word. Okay. Rhyme करना, same tone आना उसका student. Okay. Spelling different हो सकता है लेकिन उसका tone कैसे रहेगा? It should be same. Rose. Rose. What is the pronouns for next one? Tell me one body part which is rhyming with rose. Very good. N-O-S-E. Nose. What is the body part? N-O-S-E. Nose. You have to write, children. You have to write here. N-O-S-E. You have to write in that blank, student. Rose. What is the rhyming of rose? N-O-S-E. Nose. Which body part is rhyming with rose? N-O-S-E. Nose is rhyming, right? So we have to write N-O-S-E. Nose. Okay student? Right. Next one, what we have to write? S-A-N-D. Sand. Tell me one body part which can rhyme with sand. Yes. H-A-N-D. Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. With rose, what was rhyming? N-O-S-E. Nose. For sand, H-A-N-D. Hand. Okay students? Right. R-E-S-T. Rest. Tell me one body part which is rhyming with rest. C-H-E-S-T. Chest. C-H-E-S-T. Chest. So all these are rhyming with that given words, student. Now come to our practice A. Tick the correct answer. So here also students we will be having one question and 3 options for each question. We have to check and write which one is correct. Okay. And ये questions के लिए भी हमारे पास 3 options है. अब जो correct होगा वहाँ पर आपको tick लगाना है. First one क्या है student? If your legs are tied to a chair, you will not be able to. As just now we have done this, right student? अभी हमने ऊपर के bit में भी यही question solve किया था कि अगर hand अगर tied रहेंगे तो हम क्या कर नहीं सकते हैं? We cannot hold, right? But यहाँ पर क्या पूछ रहा है? अगर legs tied रहेंगे तो हम क्या नहीं कर सकते हैं? Speak तो mouth से करते हैं. Eat, we eat with our hands, right? Walk, exactly. We cannot walk if somebody's tied our legs to chair, right? So we cannot walk. So you have to tick in this box, children. Okay. We have dash nose. How many nose we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many nose we have, children? We have only one nose, right? So we have to tick on this one. Okay. A child in your class cannot see. What will you do? Now children, अगर कोई आपकी क्लास में ऐसे हैं जो देख नहीं सकते हैं तो हम उसको क्या करेंगे? क्या हम उसको चिढ़ाएंगे या उसको सताएंगे या फिर उसकी हेल्प करेंगे? Let's see our options. हेल्प हिम, हम उसकी हेल्प करेंगे, लाफ एट हिम, हम उस पर हंसेंगे, इग्नोर हिम, हम उसको केयर नहीं करेंगे. सो विच वन इज करेक्ट? एग्जैक्टली, वी will help him, right student? So we have to tick on first box. Done. I hope you all are copying all these things, right? Now come to our next bit, children. We are solving this bit. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. We have to fill this blanks, children. Okay, we have dash
words and fill the blanks. First blank we have it as we have dash fingers in each hand. Means in one hand how many fingers are there? Total 5. Means in one hand we have 5 fingers. So we have to write in first blank 5. F-I-V-E 5. Next blank we have it as we walk with our dash. Means हम किस we work with our legs. किसे चलते हैं अपन? legs. L-E-G-S legs. Next blank we have it as we have dash toes in all. Means what is the meaning of toes? Toes means in our hand we have it as fingers. Like that only in our leg we have the toes. अब जैसा हम हाथ में हमारे हाथ में कितने फिंगर्स है, लाइक दैट ओनली पैर में जितनी उंगलियां हैं उसको क्या बोलेंगे आप? टोस. सो 2 legs में कितने टोस हो गए आपके पास? 10. Means we have 10 toes in all. T-E-N 10 toes. Next.
We carry our school bag on our. हम school bag कहाँ पर carry करते हैं? On our head or on our shoulder? We carry our school bag on our shoulders. So you have to write their shoulders. We have dash eyes. How many eyes you have, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many eyes you have? Very good. You have 2 eyes. So you have to write there 2. Okay. I hope you all have finished writing on this paper, page number 11. Now come to the page number 12, student. On page number 12, we have this answer the following questions. So we have to write the answers for these questions given. Okay. Which part of the body do you use to throw a ball? आप कौन सा body part use करते हो? Throw a ball. Ball throw करने के लिए. Now you can experience, children. Just take one ball in your hand and you can throw it. So which body part you are using? We are using our fingers to hold the ball, right? And we are throwing means our arms and even our whole hand is using, right? So we can write here, we use hand, arms and fingers to throw a ball. Okay, children. Second question is, which part of the body do you use to draw? आप draw करने के लिए कौन सा body part use कर रहे हो, children? For drawing, what we are using? We are using our fingers, right? We are using our fingers. So you need not to worry about this because already I have prepared one question and answer for you. I will send you the picture. I'll share that picture. You can copy from that picture, children. Okay. Now come to this bit. Help Rajesh to reach his home. One boy is there, Rajesh, and he want to what? He want to go to home. See here, children. He want to go to home. Can you see here? Yes, one boy is there. He want to go to home. Where is his home? His home is here. So he has to cross what? This much of long distance he have to cross. So what we have to do? We have to guide him. We have to guide him, children. Okay. Now you see Rajesh is here and his house is here. So how he can cross this all this? So what we have to do? We have to help him. Okay. How we can help? We can show him the way. राजेश कैन इंटर. अब राजेश को यहाँ पर वे बताना है, स्टूडेंट रास्ता बताना है कि वो किस तरह से अपने घर जा सकता है. ओके, सो वी आर शोइंग हिम दैट Rajesh can come here and then he can come here and then here like this. We have to find a way and give him children, okay? हम राजेश को एक रास्ता ढूंढ कर देते हैं and राजेश वहीं से exactly अपने घर पहुंच सकता है. Okay children? So we have found one way and given to Rajesh also. Now Rajesh can go to his home. अब राजेश अपने घर easily जा सकता है. Now student, you have to take one pencil and you have to draw that same thing. You have to find a way. आपको way ढूंढकर राजेश की help करनी है घर जाने तक. Okay students? Right. As I said you, question and answer. Did you understood everyone? Right? So this is our homework, okay? What is our homework? Complete the table given below. You have to complete this. You have to write this homework 2 times, students, in your homework book only, okay? I use my hands too. I use my hands too. अब हम hands क्यों use करते हैं? We use our hands to eat. Eating meanings खाना, right? Right. We use our hands to write. लिखने के लिए. To draw. कुछ draw करने के लिए. To hold. कोई चीज़ पकड़ने के लिए. To paint. Painting करने के लिए. Right students? We use our hands to do all this work. So you have to complete this homework 2 times in your notebook and make sure that you write in, and especially you learn the spellings of the given words, children, okay? So inshallah I'll be back with the next video. Till then, have a nice day and take care, students.